Right, so I'm going to show you here how to set your trading up on autopilot. If you're somebody that has no time to trade whatsoever, or you're somebody not getting ahead with your trading and you're not really growing your account like you should do, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now, and it is so simple. The first thing you need to do, you scan using our software to find buy signals. We use our pro trading system, which are these green and red candlesticks. When it's red, it's not a buy. When it's green, it's a buy. This day was a buy. This day is an exit color. Okay, so we exit, we buy here and we sell here. In this time frame here, in this period of time, we want to set up our bot AI to take the trades for us, so we're not even at our screens. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do it right now. Take a look at this, guys. So now I've logged into the bot AI here, and I need to set it up to take trades in gold to the long side. If you're somebody who's got no time whatsoever, this is great for you because you can set up the trades here, whether you're using a funded account or just a normal trading account, and link it to our bot AI here, and it will take the trades automatically for you. So I need to just go through and just set this up. Now, once you've done this 3 times, you'll be an expert in setting this up, guys. It's so easy because what I'm doing is I'm following the process on the right hand side. I need to just make sure each of these are ticked off. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to just call it gold long. I've already done that. And then I want to enter the account balance. For this video, I've just put in 10,000. Now, I know a lot of you guys would have accounts up to 250,000 with funded accounts these days, which is absolutely great, and you can link it to that. But I'm just going to put 10,000 in here. Now, I'm going to go into the commodities here, make sure I've ticked gold because I'm trading gold. This is because gold's got the new buy signal. Now, here are the time frames. I can pick any time frame here. This is the US market opening. I can pick up any time frame here. I can pick, let's pick the 1 hour time frame. So I've got the signal on the pro trend system green on the daily. It's turned green, that says buy. Now I'll go down to the daily 1 hour chart here, and I can now just take trades in the long direction only. So I want to buy the market. I'm going to use our indicator, one of our pieces of software at Trading College called the Storyteller Indicator. And I'm going to tick that, that's ticked. Then I'm going to go in at market. So each trade that fires on a 1 hour time frame is going to be entered at market. I'm going to risk 1% per trade. The stop is going to be at the last swing, and I'm going to do a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio here. So the signal was on the 9th and we exited on the 21st. So all the boxes are ticked on the right hand side. All I've got to do now is see how much money I would have made if I was in that trade. Remember, it was a short period of time, 9 to the 22nd. So with £10,000 to start with, it made £1,678. It did 12 trades, which equaled 1.7 trades on average per day. Drawdown was only 1%. Win rate was 83%, had 10 winners and 2 losers, and it had a 2.61 risk reward ratio. Okay, expectancy was 2, which is excellent if you don't understand that. So that's all you have to do. You get a signal on the pro trade system on the daily, then you can go down to the time frame where you want to take the trades. In this case, it was the 1 hour time frame, and it takes the trades on autopilot. You just set it up, it takes 2 minutes to do, and then you let the thing run. How cool is that? If you want to book a call back, guys, to know more about the bot AI and our software and how you can use it for your trading, because if you're somebody that's struggling or somebody that's struggling for time to trade the markets, then this is absolutely perfect for you. And remember, all of our strategies here, all the work we do, we are fully qualified technical analysts, we are full-time traders, and we support you all the way with your own support network here with the bot AI. Make sure you request a call back, and I'll speak to you soon.